All right, ladies and gentlemen, and the addiction continues. I just can't stay away from this Bambu stuff now. Sold one of the Ender 3s out of that corner and replaced it with an A1 Mini. So let's get this thing unboxed and we'll get back with you. I want to see it too. I'm excited to see it. Here, you film, Parker, and I'll lift it out. Let's put it on the floor. Okay, ready? I assume these are our handles. Ready! Come on, let go, Bob! Okay. Let's get rid of the cardboard out of here. Nice. So, oh, little. Ah, we got the camera. Accessory box, cardboard, and more cardboard. So we're gonna get this unwrapped. We'll be right with you. All right, all calibrated, set up, and ready to go. We are officially starting our very first print on the Bambu Lab A1 Mini. Let's see how it goes. First lines, looking pretty good. All right, so what I've decided to do, I'm gonna print my upgrades for this, but then I wanna do a comparison between the A1 Mini and the S1 Pro, because people have been getting mad at me about posting the P1S versus the Creality. Clearly because they're, you know, substantially different machines on a totally different level, but I feel like this guy is right at that price point. I believe it's actually cheaper than the S1 Pro right now. I think the S1 Pro is $349 Canadian. And the A1 Mini is $249 Canadian. So it'll be interesting to see. So we'll let this finish and then we'll get to that. I cannot believe how good this A1 Mini is doing right out of the box. They weren't joking when they said 15 to 20 minute setup, because we're at about 12 minutes and it is printing flawlessly. Highly recommended. All right, first print is completed. So let's get this off here. I gotta sit you down because I gotta take the build plate off. Let's see if I can put you like that so you can see. There we go. So I'm gonna give you my first impressions. Let me get in the light here. Holy crap. Yeah, that looks as good as the P1S. That is incredible. So that's gonna go right here. Yep, wrong way. So that is going to sit right about there. Filament holder is going to go on the back. Going to be way cool. But let's get the next part printed out here. All right, so first impressions are this thing is absolutely amazing. Second impressions are what the heck. I made the handle and the filament or spool relocation bracket, but every single time I tried to print, it would fail. It kept telling me there was a jam or the filament was tangled or something along those lines. So I put the filament back to that location and it's been okay now. So that's kind of weird. So what I'm doing is I'm printing a adapter that will hopefully tighten the spool up on the spool holder, and then we are going to try it back here again, because as you can see it's kind of in a tight space. I wanted to put it over here. It's not going to work over here. My dog is staring at me because he's thinking, who the heck is this guy talking to? Who am I talking to, Finn? Yeah, I kind of wish it would fit on here, but it's not going to happen. So we're going to let that continue to print, and once it's done I will switch it back and we'll see if we can replicate that failure, and we'll hopefully catch it on camera. All right, so I got my stuff printed here. Got the spool adapter installed and it did correct the problem. So as mentioned, without that it was causing the spool to jank over to the left or to the back, and the machine, the device, whatever you want to call this thing, was thinking there was a jam or a knot in the filament. So be warned, if you're going to print these upgrades, you may need to do this spool adapter as well. It wasn't very much filament. I think it was like 50 grams or something like that of filament. Not very much, and not a very long print time, especially on the A1 Mini. But yeah, I'm rambling on. So I'm going to end this here. Be on the lookout for the A1 Mini versus the S1 Pro. I'm going to do that. We might throw the P1S in there just for fun. And yeah, if you like what you see here, please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.